Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at what to expect for the rest of this week, and we'll take you through next week as well. And you can see the clouds have been gradually expanding from north to south across the area during the day today, and we will see these clouds linger for the rest of the day as it has been a very windy day as expected. You can see the peak wind gusts across the Arklatex since midnight, 43 miles per hour. The peak gust in Shreveport, 44 in Mount Pleasant, 41 miles per hour in Longview. As pretty much all the areas seeing gusts in excess of 30 miles per hour. We're not done yet as the wind will continue for the rest of the afternoon. As we approach sunset, the wind will begin to subside as the clouds will also begin to decrease during the nighttime hours tonight as we become clear and rather chilly. Temperatures tonight will dip into the 40s. Then as we move through tomorrow, expect lots of sunshine. It will not be as windy, and with less wind out of the northwest, temperatures will be a little bit warmer as we'll climb into the mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow night, looking clear, the wind will become calm. That will allow temperatures to fall into the 30s and low 40s, including 44 for the low looking ahead to tomorrow night in Shreveport. And then Friday, we will close the work week with lots of sunshine on Halloween as daytime highs will likely climb into the upper 60s to lower 70s. And again, it does look quiet for trick-or-treating Friday evening as temperatures fall into and through the 60s. And then as we move into Saturday, models kind of hinting at a little bit of a disturbance, which may squeeze out a few sprinkles, but it doesn't look like we'll see much as far as rain. I mentioned the cold tomorrow night. You can see Friday morning low temperatures. Much of the area will fall into the 30s. 35 tomorrow night in DeQueen, 39 in Texarkana, 44 degrees for the nighttime low Friday morning in Shreveport. And as far as the longer range view of rainfall, you can see it doesn't look like much. That first disturbance Saturday, maybe a little bit of rain according to the blend of models over the southern sections of the Arklatex. Long-range models indicate a little bit more rain will be possible next weekend, but again, emphasis on a little bit. You can see the blend of models showing pretty much all of the Arklatex during the next 10 days receiving less than 1/4 of an inch total. So it looks like we're going to settle into a dry weather pattern here for the better part of the next few weeks. So tonight, expect the clouds to decrease. It will be rather chilly as temperatures will dip into the low to middle 40s, right around 47 tonight in Shreveport, 44 in Texarkana, 45 degrees tonight in Marshall. Tomorrow, we'll see lots of sunshine, just a little bit warmer with highs in the middle 60s, 66 in Marshall, 67 in Natchitoches, 67 also in Shreveport, and 64 degrees for the high temperature in Texarkana. 10-day forecast shows that very small chance of rain this weekend Saturday. Another slight chance of rain as we go into next weekend on Saturday. Daytime highs will eventually end up in the low to middle 70s. Could see some upper 70s late next week. Overnight lows will gradually warm back up into the low to middle 50s.